The Beginner's Fractions app teaches fractions through simple drag, drop, and tap actions. In this example, we have three categories: red, green, and blue. We start by tapping on the category to start counting. In this case, we have red already selected. We proceed by tapping on each of the red boxes. As we tap, we see that the count for red increases by 1 each time. Once we've selected all of the red squares, we select to start counting the green squares. And again, as we tap on each of the green squares, the green counter increases by 1. And again, finally, we tap on each of the blue squares. So in this example, we can see, after counting each of the squares, that we have 5 red, 7 green, and 5 blue. The next part of creating fractions is to create the bottom number. In this example, all we have to do is add all of the top numbers together. This is achieved by dragging each number over to the purple box on the right side of the screen. So we do this by dragging 5, and we put this back. The app tells us we've put the number back into the right place. We drag the 7 over, which adds the 7 onto the 5. And we drag the 5 over for the red, which adds this onto the 12, which gives us 17. With all of the numbers added together, we now create a copy of this number by tapping on the purple box and drag this number over to the bottom part of the fractions. And as we can see, each time we put this in the right place, it tells us that we have the correct answer in the right place. If we were to make a mistake, for example, by putting the bottom number of the fraction into the top part, you will see that we get a notification telling us where we need to put the number. And that's it. The learner has now learned how to create fractions through actions of drag, drop, and tap.